We are Line, a factory which produces the infrastructure products for fiber cable deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of Standoff bracket YK-450, either called Fiberglass communication standoff bracket. Standoff distance, 450 mm from the pole. Fiberglass rod of 38 mm diameter, provide an excellent dielectric strength. Easy installation on pole by stainless steel band or bolt. Two 16 mm holes for common attachments of aerial hardware. Watch the following tutorial of installation using standoff bracket, pole bandings, buckle, tool, and suspension clamp. All those products are produced by Line. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Production automation guarantees the fair price. Wide range of tests provide stable quality in production operations. Welcome to contact us to have more details about standoff bracket and related products.